The task is to detect imprinted alphanumeric characters A, F and 3 on metal plates. Follow these steps to get started. Log into ReliUI and create a new session. We will start by creating a pipeline. Add the source image set and detection blocks. The detector will detect the characters and output a bounding box. Navigate to the gallery page and import the metal plates images. Add annotation set name and states to begin the annotation process. Use the rectangle tool to annotate the images. Select the state from the list. Alternatively, you can import annotated dataset. Click on Import Annotated Dataset and choose the Label Me format. Select the JSON files, then click Open. Double-click the folder to review the imported annotations. Navigate to the training page and click Start New. For this task, choose Detection. Select the dataset, split into training and test sets. Assign a model name. Load the default training parameters. Set the epoch value to 1000 for this use case. Once the synchronization of data is complete, click Start Training. Monitor the training progress. As the model loss decreases, the map value will increase. Once training is finished, check the results on the Evaluation tab. Navigate to the Pipeline Editor page, select an input data source and train detection model. Run your pipeline using the Execute button at the top. The prediction list will display labels and precision values for each image on the right. Take full control. Own your data. Own your AI with ReliVision.